Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nalima Beatrice Betty. I'm here to take you through introduction to Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to take you through Microsoft Excel. I'm going to here to the start button. I go here to the research button. I type, I right click, then I write my word Excel. Because to bring it off, then I will open by right clicking. So I think as you see, it has brought for me the blank book workbook, the buying statement, the blood pressure tracker, expense report. But me, I'm going to use this one, the blank document. Here Microsoft Word is made out of sheet 1, sheet 2, here down on the lower, on the bottom. Here I can write the word like age. I go to the next slide, I write the word now. So you can do like timetable work, all reports, all anything, all timetable can be done using Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, comment and like. Thank you for listening.